Thank you, Chandra, for calming music. Let's welcome Gurpinder ma'am for our series second episode for Journey Within with Gurpinder ma'am. We had Gurpinder ma'am a fortnight ago and we learnt about her childhood days. Today we will like to know more about uh, the further journey, and I'll now hand over to the Sarvoj, my co-host, and to take it further. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Shivani. Very much, and a very warm welcome to everyone. Once again, on this fortnight, I'm excited that we all are here once again for a good cause. And Gurpinder ma'am, as always, she has got plenty to share. I would welcome Gurpinder ma'am once again to share her wisdom. Um, Gurpinder ma'am, welcome to this another episode of Journey Within. And as we spoke about your journey and you shared your ups and downs earlier with us and your miraculous experiences with audience. Now on this second stage, we would love to hear about your spiritual stories and please share some experiences to motivate us all. I know this is just 45 or 55 minutes of time we have. We are very time sensitive. You are also busy, but thanks for taking out your time once again. And we will start with your spiritual experiences and your stories, which pulled you on this stage. Thank you, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you, Masters, for giving me this opportunity again and to listen. Yeah, first time it took lots of time, but lots of things that was the base of that my journey. Uh, I would like to share. That's why it was a quite long, and I think for someone it's a boring. Yeah. So first of all, we salute to our Guru consciousness, breath consciousness. That Guru resides within us. That is always reside in us. It's a as in the matchbox वो लगा होता है ना, मसाला लगा होता है, just करना, just friction of वो करके, and the whole thing, in the same way incidents comes in our life always, but it universe want to ignite that spark. But if we acknowledge that everything fire evoke, and you can even get enlightenment. And if you ignore even your worldly work, or even in a worldly life, if we are unable to um, make it possible, and everything is messed up. So point is to how to identify that spark. And I was, because of my past birth, and because of I don't know the guidance my parents uh, tell us, that keep on holding that supreme hand. So I was on the path that insights whatsoever may be negative or positive, power of intuition, power of clairvoyance, that is along with me from my childhood, that make me so capable that yes, one person, when he get to know that ups and downs are coming in my way, we get disturbed. But on the same way, these insights make a person enable that we can make proper arrangements, we can move ahead, or we can set back for a moment. So in this way, all my college time, everything I shared with you, because of my health challenges, because my spiritual journey is from my childhood. I, as I told you, each and every incident is a push from the universe or push from the higher self towards my spiritual growth. It's always towards my spiritual growth. As we say, there are two paths in when you get some MDP, major deviation point, in relation with the health, emotional issue, anything. You have to choose a path that goes towards spirituality, or towards your inner search, or otherwise you can go to outer world. Yeah, you can indulge in clubbing and in other things, lots of things, lots of distractions and lots of engagements are there in the worldly life. We can say, as a spiritual person, we have or a spiritual seeker, or as a person who choose to be with his or her inner self, we have a limited choice, but we must be satisfied. We must be satisfied. If we learn to be satisfied with our inner calls and with our inner intuitions, then worldly distractions will never disturb you, and they even don't hamper your spiritual path. On worldly basis, we can say that, I can't study because much more because of my paralysis, eyesight weakness. I can't do this. But on that way, if I keep on going, taking higher studies, even my father prepared me for the civil services. But at the end of the day, when I realized that I am totally a person who never prefer that lie or betrayal and dishonesty, that is not even a friction of second. For friction of second, I can't accept that if somebody say don't do this, या तो ये किसी को मार देगी या खुद मर जाएगी, क्योंकि वहां तो बेईमानी है. आगे अगर जाओगे, you have to face lots of things. There is so much politics in all these things. But I am happy that my inner guidance, my inner guide keep on guiding me. Yes, Gurpinder, you have to do this. Because of disease, because of fear, I keep on avoiding those things, and today I am at my safe pace and I am on my spiritual growth with the full speed. So each and every incident here, I want to tell one more. When we say inner awareness and self-analysis about your capacities, and self-analysis about your, if you choose this, then how you can go ahead with that. I always used to choose or give myself a tough test on, so what if I choose this, then what consequences. And last theory, my father used to tell me that मैंने तो ऐसे ही तुम्हें डॉक्टर बना दिया, तुम्हें तो वकील होना चाहिए था, बाल की खाल निकालती है हर चीज पे. तो वो जो चूज, वो contemplation on each and every decision to, or that was my inner strength at that time, or that how I gained that. My father tell me to connect with yourself and keep holding the hand of Almighty. Maybe in Bhakti Patha, even in spirituality, we say surrender to the universe. In meditation, we say connect to your higher self, connect to your Purna Atma. One and same thing. For me, it's a one and same thing. Shri Ramakrishna used to say, one have to reach the top of house. You can go by stairs, you can go by lift, you can go by a ropeway, and who are the perfect Bajikar, they can jump. And somebody can take lots of time, slowly. Somebody take a one step and then take a break, and in this way. So one incident I also want to share, that during my father, when he was there, उनको बहुत शौक होता था कि somebody clicked my pictures. उनके friend थे, they clicked my pictures, and at that time magazines and newspapers, उनके लिए मेरी pictures publish होती थी घर में ही. So as a we can say a newspaper or magazine modeling, my face was that. they say yes, her face is photogenic, and otherwise nobody can identify me. I am so ugly person. But face was photogenic. But I never take that to my head. After my father passed away, lots of offers. Even those persons from Punjab Kesari, Jagabani, at that time, those was a famous newspaper in Punjab. They come to my house that you have to take the advertisements and other things. It will financially support you. But on the contrary, I hide myself in the room. I just contemplate on everything, that my father was my strength, and how is the society outside, in how long I can go with this, how long I can earn with this, with my dignity. And on that, all news persons, media was sitting in my drawing room, and I didn't open the room, and I did not come to meet them. I totally denied, this is not my path. At that time I can choose. मैं उनके सामने ही नहीं आई. वो चंडीगढ़ से गए थे इतनी दूर. Because I told my mother कि this is a total insight. And after few days, 2-3 stories came कि how because of limelight, once a person get involved in this, and when according to their age or engagement, when we get down, there is a severe depression. Means I always check out about every scenario. That is the beauty that my father gave. And slowly, with the attachment to with the involvement of my spiritual practices, I got this insight. And for till now, I self-evaluate everything. This is this. And this is my first takeaway, कि never ever just step out for any decision and any, बोलते हैं हर चमकती चीज सोना नहीं होती. So just evaluate everything. We can say that even in spirituality, lots of retreats, lots of other things are going on. We can't say who is doing what type of business. So it's our core responsibility for our soul that not to overindulge in anything and take wise decision at right time. This is the first essence from my whole journey.
Right,
And on the spiritual,
sorry,
this
ma'am. With this, because you are going very well, and I never wanted to stop you in between. But there is a question arising in my mind right now, that because you mentioned that there is an inner voice which is coming out and it is guiding you. So when you say it's guiding you, that what do you consider as, like, it is an inner guidance, as in like some guide who's there is showing you the path, or there is some spiritual guidance like divinity inside you which is telling you, like your own soul, or your mind is telling you to take the decision, right? And there is another thing I would like to add, that when we talk about surrenderance, that comes to the bhakti marg, which we know, right? And then it comes to gyan marg, where we talk about like you are your own good, right? What we talk about, like there are different paths, but you started with bhakti marg, as you said, surrenderance, and
I am
you have
still
your
on that.
guidance as well.
I
You're
am
still on
still
it.
on
Beautiful,
that.
beautiful. I love that.
Because when we realize that whosoever bhakti किसकी अपने आप के साथ,
Exactly.
that is, you can't deny that. At the peak of Advaita, when we say that from duality, when you come to peak of duality, is the first step towards Advaita, non-dual.
Yeah.
First we have parents, then वो चले भी जाते हैं तो उनकी गाइडेंस हमारे साथ रहती है. तो आई ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट रिगार्ड दैट, एज said in scriptures, that Sakar is just like my mother, Nirakar is just like a father always nurturing us, nurturing a family child, but never on screen. Mother is always on the screen, doing all shows of activities and taking care of a family. But driving force is a father, who is even sometime in old times, they are so away from the families, even kids don't recognize when after lots of years they come back. So bhakti, when we, even in deep meditation, I joined JTTP, said, when we say surrender to the universe, that is unknown nirakar. We didn't see. When we say Purnatma, what it mean by, how you describe Purnatma? If we always say in meditations, just connect to your Purnatma, connect to your higher self. What it is higher self? Who's seen that? Who saw that higher self? From where it is derived word higher self or Purnatma? That means there is something unseen power that is there behind this all universe, observable universe, and still there is non observable universe, है ना? उसको क्या बोलेंगे वो आप में से जो हम देख सकते हैं, the universe which we can see through NASA, Voyager 1, Voyager 2, whatsoever is now science is doing, yeah, that we can just see physically. And what is beyond that? Galaxies, everything. So even when we say jnana, the knowledge, the science has knowledge that there are so many galaxies that we are just a freck of tiny part. Then when you go on exploring these things, then you realize there is some force, maybe we can say the laws of universe. Even some scientists are now challenging to those laws of universe because they serve no purpose on other planets and other galaxies. Yeah. If we have to study about that Nirakar and Sakar, we have to watch all science documentaries. All science documentaries, there is each and everything explained. What is supernova, how star take a birth, how it survive, and then it die like a supernova. So then you can realize something is there. We can say it. जो आगे हम बोलते हैं कि जो those take birth and we call them avatara or reincarnations. But that means some force is there that we can't deny at all. That we can't deny.
What is that force like? My question is the same again.
That is unexplainable. मैंने बताया ना वही कि साइंस भी अभी इस चीज पे वर्क कर रही है. Even if we don't go about a bhakti and blind faith, if we go on a research basis, you can study those files जो नासा की and other Voyager 1, Voyager 2 जो गए हुए हैं. Even you can go through when you start that journey and you keep exploring the universe, then you will think about yourself too, and you can think about that what it is. And Jatha Brahmande Tatha Pinde. When we, as a doctor or as a medical person, when we dissect that body, we think that it's just a liver. And when we keep on exploring lots of things, then we can say that we create our reality. Can we create a human being? No. Then our limitations are there. There are beautiful episodes on free will and how we are if you also want to read the Carl Jung's psychology, where he talked about collective consciousness. We are bound. We are not. We can say that we are taking our free will. We can create our reality. Even we are the part of universal will. Universal will. That universal will is playing through us. As a mother, a female can experience. In her womb, there is a baby. हमें लगता है हम बच्चे को अपने हिसाब से खाना पीना दे रहे हैं, but he or she is developing their own word and their own traits, everything inside womb, physical womb.
correct.
अगर वहां पे इतना हो सकता है तो इतना बड़ा यूनिवर्स, वी यू लिव इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यू जस्ट नो अबाउट हाउ मच पार्ट ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
Yeah, very few.
I live in Punjab, how much I know about Punjab? I can't say nothing. So just go, just if we think about even our earth, how much we know about earth. If somebody can say that he is a perfect traveler, how he can explore, or how one person can explore, can they explore each and every shore of earth? And beyond that, only 30% is earth, 80% is water. Can we explore that?
No.
Then what is that everything is going on? How it's going on? There is something beyond
that.
our, yes. So
Right, ma'am?
yeah, right. Gyani Marg, keep on peeling the onion, keep on peeling the onion. Last में वो शून्यवाद जो भगवान बुद्ध के जो नागार्जुन डिसाइपल थे, he bought the शून्यवाद, ठीक. And somebody, those are smart, they say, okay, yes, I bow down and you do your work, I am doing my work, for that I am here in this earth.
That makes you surrender.
Yeah, Gyani, Ramakrishna Paramahansa beautifully say, if somebody go to the mango garden, who say, wow, God give such a beautiful fruit on earth, mango, he eat lots of mango, enjoy there, take a well nap and came back. And if somebody go there, oh, which quality of this mango, from where it come, from where it is hybrid seed we can drive, how much water you gave, how much nutrients you gave out of the earth, gave it sucked from earth, how much maintenance, how you maintain this mango garden. They Gyani keep on doing this.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
Pal ki khal. That's right.
Yes, yes, we can create our own reality, but we are not here. We are the part of web where we are bounded with each other in web of karmas. Suppose, yeah, first example, in a house, a child create a reality, think about that he has a strong emotions to go abroad and develop his own life, his own way.
Yeah.
And parents create reality, think that they are doing they create a better perfect life, role model example, and they will set their business. Then whose reality? Both are on there creating their own reality. How these two opposite edges will meet? We are interlinked with each other to create our reality. If we understand timely, it gives us less pain and more understanding.
Okay, that's very beautiful, ma'am. Very wonderful explanation. And I have several questions, and I'm pinching one out of it again. So as we talk about the inner guidance, so ma'am, I actually remember one podcast a while ago on PSSM Hindi I saw, and I don't know the gentleman's name, but he mentioned lot many things in which he mentioned that he in Suksham Yatra in astral form he came out of his body, and then after he traveled a lot and like speed of light, and he went through several dimensions, and then he reached out at one place where he was stuck, and he suddenly saw Shivji Ji Maharaj, and he was also there. He appeared up, and he was telling him to go with him along. He was trying the same thing to, in this expanded universe, the universe is keeps on expanding, like you said earlier. So he was also trying to go further towards where it leads to, and he was unable to do that, Shivji Ji Maharaj. And he told him that you stay with me and I'll go with you and we'll do it together. And then suddenly Patri Ji appears and he said, no, he has got a lot to do still. He was child since he was a child for 5 or 6 years old. So he said, okay, Patriji said, no, he has to go back and he has to do a lot of seva work with me. So he's not going to go with you further from here.
Okay.
So it makes me wonder that how come such profound experiences people share. And I feel like myself very tiny in this particular universe, that where am I standing over here, doing podcast with you right now. I'm very grateful, but I would like to know such kind of experiences, like if you have such sort of experiences to share.
It's a totally on your development, Sarvach. It's a totally on your personal, as I told you, in classroom. Even in any class, from nursery to PhD, there are backbenchers, there are front benchers, there are, as I told you, there are जो lift से जाते हैं, कुछ बाजीगर भी होते हैं. Somebody's are there. They do their nowadays their trend I am seeing on internet, that they in their early age they do PhD or postgraduate, because they are so capable with the help of technology and AI. It's a totally, we can't say that we can copy what's going on. We as we do counseling in spiritual tablet, and before that I was always in this, because in homeopathy and in my other spiritual practices, I always connect with the spirituality to my patients. Maybe which believe, we can't force our belief on other. We have to go on your path. You can be a guide to someone, but you can't teach anybody.
Right.
Your journey, your experience can be a role model for someone. From there, somebody can apply that and learn, but forcefully you can't teach anybody. And these experiences, spiritual experiences, are totally dependent on your past previous births and this time birth, and during your birth, pregnancy time, the condition of mother.
Okay.
All these things, as I told you, we give जो आता है ना एक chef Australia chef, India chef, वो contents, same ingredients are given to all participants, but they make different combinations. In same way, we can't copy others. But today days, when we, after meditation, we say you can't judge a fish that it can't climb a tree. वो सारी जिंदगी depression में रहेगी.
Correct.
You know? So in this way, we can't, and she can't copy even too.
Right.
She can't even copy too कि वो crow इतना ऊंचा उड़ रहा है. Even birds can't copy each other, that yeah, eagle can fly high and we are not able to fly high. Even a peacock can't do.
That's right.
We can say a peacock is the beautiful bird, but he can't fly high like a eagle. So it's a totally our individual. And yes, my experiences, as I told you, first of all, we are not allowed to this. First time I experienced that my experiences are not with the astral. With astral body, I have no experience, but my physical body goes everywhere where I go in meditation. And after that, when I got hurt and when I got some, for example, in 1999, when I entered in Ramakrishna Mission, and lots of happenings happened with me, as Hanumanji start communicating with me, Shri Ramakrishna Paramahansa, I get absorbed totally with him. And at that time, one day I was sleeping after coming from my clinic, and I was in a deep sleep, that Thakur Bhai, just talking to, my sleep routine was talking to Babaji. For me, I can say Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, my father, mother, everything is that helping force that I need in my life. I can remember them, or I reconnect them with the name, or at what time I want to talk with them, but never on a physical form. Always I try to connect with them with the energy form. That is always with me. And I, while talking, I go to deep sleep, and during sleep, I saw that I went to somewhere, and I keep on going, and I entered in a ice cave, and because I was not unable, it was so narrow, and eye specs are वो कितनी sharp होती हैं. That one of that hurt here my on my head, and I just saw there Shivlinga, and as it hurt, and in dream or maybe whatsoever is, it hurt, and I just hold my head, and it was just bleeding. Okay, I forget everything. And when I wake up, and my sister, she urja urja जैसे उसने मेरे से, it was bleeding from there.
Okay.
So in this way, when I told my guide, they said उनको पता था कि मेरी जो past birth की या वो थी, ये चीजें बहुत थी. One of my birth was that I previously 3-4 years back discovered that I was a Kashmiri Shaivism monk. She was described as a naked monk, and in Laleshwari Devi, Laldev, Lalwaks are nowadays performed. And same time, he said, don't do this. उन्होंने मुझे स्ट्रिक्टली मना कर दिया था कि जब भी तुम्हें कुछ ऐसी है ना तो इसकी बात करनी है, बिकॉज he know के lots of worldly duties I have to do with my mother. This is not right time that I get to know about my all things. Then he stopped me. Then he allowed me, he told me to learn kirtan, harmonium. He diverted my consciousness towards outside. And lots of time, we used to do on Purnamashi full night meditation. And one day last year, I was everybody was nowadays curious, this retreat, wo retreat, kahin pe Ladakh mein ho raha hai. My mind was also curious that I want to go. And sometime it came on my mind, I want to go Ladakh, I want to go Ladakh. सब लोग जा रहे हैं, मैं क्यों नहीं जा पाती? When I will be able, क्योंकि उसके लिए भी, because that this is not right time to go there, because अभी मुझे बहुत सारे काम करने हैं. तो उस वजह से मेडिटेशन में, when it was meditating, I have to play for 12 hours, maybe 24 hours. I have to play music for that meditation, and I keep awake myself that there is mute, unmute, take care total independently. This is my, but when it was going on, I don't know, when I sleep, my laptop, I don't know, after 3-4 hours, meditation was perfectly going. And my feet, when I came back after that sleep, my feet was strongly paining, and I was so disturbed that there are abrasions on my feet, scratches, and its skin was peeling. I was sitting on a bed. How it is possible? Scratches, abrasions on my feet. And then I recollect in that trance, maybe I don't know about subtle body. My physically body, I was there, I am roaming on the Ladakh mountains and somewhere, and my feet get stuck. Why you came here? My guru was there. He said, why, what you are doing? Why you are here? It's a place for not you. And I in a sudden when we somebody वो हमारी चोरी पकड़ी जाती है ना, हम भागते हैं पीछे की ओर. And in this way I want to suddenly get a turn, and on ice my feet get just rubbed, bare feet थी. Or when I came back, abrasions were on my feet. After that I never intensely long for anything, बिकॉज बहुत वियर्ड एक्सपीरियंस मेरी बॉडी के साथ ही हो जाते हैं. एस्ट्रली वी कैन गो, वी कैन सी, आई लिसन पीपल एस्ट्रली, दे कैन गो, दे कैन टेक एग्जाम्पल, दे कैन टेक लेसन्स, दे कैन टेक ज्ञान, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. But with me this never happened, because if it happened, my physical body was also there, and I feel that hurt and that symptoms and that आप जो बोलोगे कि निशान, वहां के मार्क्स always appear on my body. So I strictly restrict all these practices. That's why I keep on involving myself on YouTube. अगर कोई बोलता है ना कि पंचतंत्र स्टोरी, मैं उनको लेके पंचतंत्र, I always take myself when I go towards peak, even in professional life, when I am doing yoga, meditation, all these, my center was running. But when I think that it's heading my brain and mind, I just take a U-turn and start taking sessions with kids, and just everybody saying you are doing. My son was also feeling ashamed that you are doing babysitting. You are a doctor, you are a yoga guide, and all of a sudden you come to the kids. And in same way, when there is online sessions, there is a intense, I think that के मुझे वो अपना कुरेदना पड़ रहा है, या I start feeling कि मुझे वो चीजों का एहसास हो रहा है जो मेरी पावर्स या जो मैंने पिछली रिइंकार्नेशंस देखी थी. I immediately switch to the kiddish things. वो चाहे गाना बजाना हो, आनंद ब्रह्म हो, शिवानी नो, I keep on doing cultural programs and other art craft things to divert my mind. It balance my spiritual and worldly life in this way.
Okay, ma'am. Like amazing things you're telling me, and especially about your last your births, which you just discussed. I would like to ask that when was the very first time you had that experience, then that you meditated and you found out your past births? If you'd
No,
like to,
it's never in meditation. It's never in meditation.
not in
I never
meditation.
I am not able to meditate because in my previous births, I meditated lots of time. Monk, my birth was in a male body, especially monks. With the Saurabh sir, I disclosed why I have a fear with him regarding book reading, and he always catch me on Zoom. मैं चाहे रीनेम करके भी बैठती थी, how he was my guru and why sometime what happened. There are lots of previous work with the lots of masters, and but the point is that I never meditate. As I told last time, walking, talking, while doing my housework, while doing talking with others, it's like a glimpse in front of my eyes, and everything is disclosed.
Ma'am,
Never
were we
in
the part
meditation.
of your past life?
Hmm?
Were we the part of your past life? Me,
Yeah, about
Kanchan.
Kanchan, about Kanchan, I saw.
Did you?
And
Wow.
at that time, I never knew that she belongs to Rajasthan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So does she?
Yeah,
Yeah,
slowly
I
we
think
can
yes.
say it's all about I means to say the question of Sarvoj. I never and even you people, if we have a something that totally prick our mind, and it's the needed, much needed to need about some relationship, some situation, then go for past lives. Otherwise, Patri ji also told
I
No
understand.
मेरी
point.
आवाज इको हो रही है बहुत ज्यादा.
सबकी हो रही है मैम, पता नहीं अभी कुछ आज
शिवानी
क्यों
आप
नहीं।
म्यूट करो. Yeah, I think yes.
अभी ठीक है।
Yes.
Thank you.
So never go. When you heard about even past birth, then what you will do? When you will think
Absolutely.
about it. And yeah,
You'll have some
yes,
regrets, I believe.
but first of all, I experienced, because that time I don't know that something is like a past birth or everything. Then I was just as I told you the story of my childhood, when I push a boy into pond. At that place, I was 3-4 years, because I was born in 1972. There is a war between India and I think China or Pakistan. Something was there. Maybe, but from my childhood, I was so, nobody say that what is the national anthem, या what is the Desh Bhakti song, या वो spiritual thing. I start crying. That was the, from childhood, that was the sign. And I always feel myself in my sleep that I am underground, and I always visualized myself in a, now I know that is bunker. At that time I was that I am under the earth, and वो ईंटें मेरे पे, bricks are falling on me and everything. That was my experience from childhood. That's why I always fear कि कुछ मेरे सिर पे गिरेगा. But first time I experienced openly that this is a past life experiences, that is in 2008 and 9, when I did my Reiki Grandmastery. Because of personal relation, there is a lots of strength, but that was not I consciously watch my past life. No, while doing Reiki sessions, while sitting and while reading the books, each and every flashback that how I was connected with this time husband, how much I was previously attached to him, and in this very birth, I have to get pain from him because I have to come out from my attachments. I was so much attached because of repeated betrayals. I keep on wanting that person in my life. And now this is the conscious time when I have to live with him, and consciously I have to break my ties. That was the reason that I am taking a birth of a woman. Otherwise, I was a male monk.
That was your last birth.
Last birth, I can't say. I can't predict which is the my last birth. I don't know. I just saw the connection with that person, and that's all. That is the lesson for me. What which I as I other I was a trauma. How to leave or remain with him, and what to do. At the one time, I was edge of to do suicide along with my son. But when I realized everything, and after exact 8 to 10 years back, because of him, I met Dr. Saurav Ranjan. That means that person is now the cause that because of him, I came to come with you people. Otherwise, मुझे पता ही नहीं लगना था. उनकी अगर हेल्थ इश्यूज ना होते, वो उस डॉक्टर के पास ना जाते, न्यूरो वाले के पास. एंड व्हेन ही रिकॉग्नाइज्ड दैट आई एम अ ईएफटी ट्रेनर एंड रेकी ग्रैंड मास्टर, ही स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू मी, एंड देन वन डे ही गिव मी द डॉक्टर सौरभ रंजन's Zoom link, and I am here, and I bow down to him, that person, because of him I was I am able to do my all account clearance.
It's all
To
connected.
connecting
It's all
with the other
connected.
people's. Yes.
Everything is connected. Like because
Yeah.
of
And
karma
if
only we
at
get
that
connected.
time, if at that time, and as I know, as we talk in Avadut ke 24 Guru, that everybody be aware to what is going around you. And when I was at edge, somebody say me, he's a younger boy than me, and he was also have so much problems in married life. When I said that your mother want to yes, okay, you have to take divorce, so Gurpinder, do you think if अगर हमें लगता कि अगर ये हमारा फैमिली, why it is so obvious that on that person comes in life, our maybe a male or female, we are so वो कितनी जल्दी हम बोल देते हैं ना, डिवोर्स ले लो. क्या हम अपने फैमिली मेंबर से डिवोर्स ले सकते हैं? अगर वियर्ड हो, बच्चे अपनी माओ को मार देते हैं, पेरेंट्स भाई भाई को मार देता है, तो वो अगर दूसरी जगह से आई है, हाउ इट इज इजी कि आई कैन से, अगर मेरे बहन भाइयों में से कोई होता तो भी मैं उसके साथ रहता ना. तो एट दैट टाइम इवन आई गॉट ग्लिम्पसेस एंड आई डिसाइडेड टू बी देयर. एंड अगर मैं चली जाती, सही बात है, मेरी स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ जो सारा कुछ जिस वजह से होना था. और अभी जब वो मैंने वो समझा कि जब वो ललेश्वरी देवी का मैंने देखा कि इन द मिडस्ट ऑफ हर अर्ली मैरिज लाइफ, शी रिनाउंस्ड हर फैमिली, she renounced her everything, young husband, and become totally and abandon herself from everything, and she go in Shiva's love, she left everything. And now I think that वो मुझे ही घर के सारे काम क्यों करने पड़ते हैं? भाई तो छोड़ के गई थी एक जन्म में सारा कुछ. वो बंदा भी आराम करेगा, उन्होंने देखा है सब कुछ, उन्होंने किया मेरे बाद. And it was like a shame. इसकी glimpse भी जैसे ललेश्वरी birth my, I realized it when I was doing in 2023 some discourses I was doing on a platform Divine Shine, शिकागो का एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, वहां के लिए प्रेपरेशन कर रही थी. And I was at that time shaken that when I came to the Ramakrishna mission and my spiritual insights, I was more profound, and I was aware about those things. I used to saw that because Baba always say कि your birth, just complete your worldly duties with mother till your last sister, younger sister got married, and then you have to go to Rishikesh. एंड मुझे लगा, तब तक मुझे ऋषिकेश के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता होता था, ना मुझे ये पता था कि वहां पे कोई परमार्थ निकेतन भी है, बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर अबाउट एनी हिंदू प्लेसेस, स्पिरिचुअल प्लेसेस, नथिंग एल्स. But I used to get to dream that my hairs are so long and I covered my upper bust with the hairs till my pelvic area, and I am totally naked and fetching water from the river and taking it somewhere. Always used to say. और मैं सोचती थी कि बाबा, मैं उनको बोलती थी, बाबा मैं ऐसी कहाँ जगह जाऊंगी या दुनिया इतनी अच्छी हो जाएगी कि if somebody is not wearing any clothes and everybody is accepting that. But those glimpses were from my past life. When I read about Laleshwari, and this is also how it came to my life. When I say I start listening all of a sudden from Patriji, from GK sir, from Saurabh Ranjan, from Ramakrishna Mission, I start listening to Acharya Prashant. And I put his messages on status, and one of my counselor, he said, why you are chasing Acharya Prashant? He is not a good person. He is washing minds of young persons. I said, I don't know why I'm chasing him. सुबह चाय बिना भी उठ के वो नहीं होता था. I just YouTube पे ऑन करती थी, आचार्य प्रशांत, आचार्य प्रशांत. One day on Shivratri 2023, yes, 2023 Shivratri, I just listening about how he interpreted about Shiva Tattva, where he taught के हम बोलते हैं शिव, शिव की भक्ति तो या तो ललदेव की तरह करनी चाहिए, और एक या रानी अक्का की तरह, अक्का देवी की तरह. I was so astonished कि मैं सोचती थी कि हम ईशा का वो सुनते सब कुछ. Who is this Laleshwari Devi and Akka Devi? Then I start immediate from that day, masters, I forget about Acharya Prashant. कभी भी उनका कोई लेसन नहीं सुनना, कुछ भी नहीं, खत्म मेरी कहानी. And I start exploring and digging about Laleshwari Devi. And when I started digging about that, this is everything, each and everything got connected. And when I was studying about her, वो एक पेज, एक चीज खुल के सामने आ गई कि what was the relation with my mother. Even that was from that. And even Shivani know lots of our spiritual, मैंने जीके सर को भी बोला था, मैंने कहा सर lots of spiritual tablet masters are with me from that birth. कोई मेरी मदर थी, कोई मेरी सास थी.
Ma'am,
कोई मेरा
so
ससुर.
sorry to interrupt. So you're saying you were Laleshwari Devi? Is that what
Yeah.
you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And who,
That
the
I
Akka
saw
Devi you're
Priyanka
talking
Tandon,
about was your mother,
those persons are around me.
and the Akka Devi was your mother.
No. Akka Devi is one of the same reincarnation.
Okay. Oh, so you were
Because
Akka
at
Devi,
that
you are
time, when I
Laleshwari.
heard about Akka Devi, she was, the story of Laleshwari and Akka Devi was same. First of all, Akka Devi was a queen, and she used to do the Shiva Bhakti, Shiva Radhana totally blindly. She is not aware about her. King was so frustrated that she is not taking care of everything. And one day she leave his kingdom and everything, that my जो मेरा आराध्य है वही सब कुछ है मेरे लिए, not you. These kingdoms will come and go. The kingdom of my devotion is permanent. And then she left the home, everything, and the king said, leave these clothes too, these are mine. And she removed everything. Keep yourself. At that time she was queen, and then she become कि yes, king नहीं थी, एक सिंपल फैमिली में आई, लेकिन वहां पे भी वही ऑब्जेक्शंस थी, वही एब्लिगेशंस थी कि ये as a woman you have to do the household work and you are not capable to do, कि वही होता था. और फीमेल्स को ये भी आता है कि फीमेल्स को क्यों मना किया जाता था ज्यादा इंटेंस प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. फ्रॉम दिस आई गॉट, पहले मैं सोचती थी कि कितना ऑर्थोडॉक्स है. नहीं मास्टर्स, वो ऑर्थोडॉक्स नहीं होता था. फीमेल्स को जरा सा भी आप वो स्पार्क दो, दे गेट एनलाइटनमेंट. वो एसेंस बहुत ज्यादा होती है, बिकॉज दे आर द पार्ट ऑफ क्रिएशन। वो क्रिएट करने की कैपेबिलिटी रखती है फीमेल, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर हुक्ड विद समथिंग सोशल और अदर एंगेजमेंट्स, where we saw that when they get enlightened, they are totally liberated. They don't take care about then okay, what is this or that. In same way, these are the series. I many time I discussed with everything. When I discussed it with the Saurabh sir said yes, it can be. कहते जब मैंने पत्री जी को बताया कि I saw my birth with Buddha, तो पत्री जी से why you are telling this to me, सौरभ रंजन सर की बात बता रही हूँ। तो सर कहते कि सर बताना तो चाहिए कि मुझे ये अनुभव हुआ है कि आई वॉज विद बुद्धा एट दैट टाइम एंड इन सो फॉर्म। सर कहते पत्री सर टोल्ड हिम इट्स योर एक्सपीरियंस, दैट मीन्स यू डोंट ट्रस्ट योर सेल्फ, व्हाई यू आर टेकिंग वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम मी। In same way, when I start realizing these things, I can't say I was so कि मैंने जीके सर को भी बोला था कि I want to leave spiritual tablets so many times, but I was unable to do this lots of time. Why it is there? Because lots of masters are there from that birth where I have to fulfill all those things that are left behind at that time. Simple as that. By knowing your birth details, you but हम उखाड़ क्या लेंगे?
Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely.
क्या लेंगे?
So, ma'am,
And here I want to share one of my students' journey, that for some reason she want to fare. We told her that not to go in these things because वो उधेड़ना भी कई बार बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाती है, and but she keep on doing this with her close relative when they come. तो वो पता लग गया कि वो उसी का किसी रिलेटिव का मर्डर किया था, और वो सब पास्ट लाइफ में। कैन यू थिंक दैट आफ्टर सीइंग ऑल दैट वो फैमिली रिलेशन ऑल थिंग्स
can't be same.
बैड हो गया और भी ज्यादा वहां सिचुएशन, और भी हाँ उस जन्म में तो तूने मेरा ये किया था, मर्डर किया था, अब क्या करोगे?
But ma'am, there are so many scenarios where you can rectify
अगर
things.
यू कैन आई कैन, यहाँ पे मैं एक सिर्फ छोटी सी बात बताना चाहूंगी। इफ यू want to experience these things, just read you forever religiously repeated time Lobsang Rampa. But all these things are not spiritual experiences. These are metaphysical experiences. We are defining spirituality totally in a wrong way. This is not spirituality. This is metaphysics. Metaphysical, your one birth, other birth, past lives, all these are metaphysical. Lobsang Rampa clear cut mentioned that one get trained in metaphysical practices if they can. Wo You Forever is not a mere book for Swadhyay. He clear cut mentioned you have to listen, read his journey first. Why he written You Forever? It was for complete metaphysical trainer. One can become perfect in metaphysical capabilities and start understanding what is aura, what is telepathy, what is Akashic record, what is astral travel. All these things are metaphysical, yani ke beyond this physical. But we can't say that is spirituality. Spiritual means your soul. Your soul has nothing to do with these as we say ये जो सिद्धियां रिद्धियां.
Absolutely, ma'am. That's where I want to come right now on this point. We are time sensitive. I know that you have to go also. But before going, before finishing up, I have so many questions, but I'm going to ask you one question from my end. That after that, we'll take a few questions from audience. Ma'am, like you said, your journey started on Bhakti Marg and you're still on that, right? So, how would you say, did you start with some chanting in the beginning or later on? Because if you are having some experience, it doesn't come like this, you're just sitting and it started coming in. I know it
Yes,
happened.
no, this
It
is happening
happens.
to me. Yeah, this happens to me.
Okay,
This happens to
it is
me.
very different for me
I
to
never,
understand.
as I told you, गुरबानी आ रही होती थी, शब्द गा लिया, लेकिन उसके बाद जब मौन हो गए तो वो मौन कितनी देर तक चलता है. And
So in
I was in a
silence.
Bhakti Marg, but I am telling you, I am never attached to any form.
Okay.
I am never attached to any form. I always attached to that thing, that something supreme is there. That is, वो जो गानों में भी बोला गया है, कौन कलाकार है, ये कौन कलाकार है, ठीक है. Everybody, when you saw this universe, when you saw, even when you go to one garden, we can't say that ये gardener did this. वो तो सिर्फ plant कर रहे हैं ना. From where everything is coming? Just think about this.
So there was no practice at all from your end. You are saying that.
My
No such
practice is
practice.
to stick with their whatsoever my father and mother told me, that be here, you have to sit. जैसे वो होता है ना कि अंगद का पैर, वो है ना, रामायण किस किस ने देखी थी कि अंगद का पैर एक जगह रखा गया,
मैंने देखी
nobody
है.
is able to उसको उठाना. तो बस मेरे माता पिता ने एक ही चीज बताई थी कि यहाँ पे कुछ एक कनेक्ट हो जाना है. बहुत लॉजिकल माइंड था, तो तभी वहां वापस शायद हो सकता है सरेंडर में. एंड आई ऑलवेज यूज टू डू, मुझे नहीं पता था, जो हम अगर बाद में उसको देखते हैं कि हम साष्टांग भी करते हैं, अगर we do lots of grounding, we are doing all chakra alignment, everything. When we when from as I got in my life avadhuta, वहां पे अवधूत में ही शेयर करेंगे कि हाउ व्हेन आई वाज अनेबल टू रीड एनी बुक एंड आई वाज कंप्लेनिंग यूनिवर्स के आई एम सो, क्या बोलोगे आप उसको, कि मैं इतनी पढ़ी लिखी होके कि नाउ आई एम एट द एज, और एट द एज बिकॉज ऑफ माय आई प्रॉब्लम आई कांट रीड एनी बुक, एंड लॉट्स ऑफ स्वाध्याय, लॉट्स ऑफ गंगा इज फ्लोइंग in front of me. Why? Then started, yes, ये विजन, ये विजडम मेरी लाइफ में आई, एंड देन आई स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग कि yes, I can learn from my awareness. I never read any books.
So you mean say you are aware every time, and that's how being focused,
Everything
you
is
get
on.
to see
That's my
everything.
decision in my family life, my personal life, my professional life. I always keep my eyes, ears, my five senses on, always. When I even go outside, I perceive with my all senses. Then I come to any decision.
So you are always in dhyan. That's what we
Yeah.
can say then.
Yeah.
Okay, that's beautiful, ma'am. That's wonderful. And there are not many people out there like yourself that they say that we haven't done any practice. Like I remember once I was listening to Sadhguru from Coimbatore, and he was telling his experience that how he got all the spiritual energies, and he was sitting under the tree, and
Yes.
a master came in, and then after he got blessed, and
Yes.
everything started.
Hmm.
I know that because of your past experiences, past lives, and your sadhana which you have done in the past, this such kind of things happen. But in day-to-day life, what we hear, because there are so many things and so much of content on YouTube also, where we get to know that by doing this practice, and there's a saint who says that if you have a handful of soil, and you pour it on the beach, and there are particles, and that many kind of different practices are there in the world,
Yeah, definitely.
right? The whole
Definitely.
beach is full of soil, and there are so many sort of practices, but
Yes, if you want to explore these things, yes, just read Osho, that Vigyan Bhairava Tantra. There are lots of practices. Out of that, only Anapanasati is
one of them, yeah.
one of them.
Correct.
And as our fingers are not the same on the hand, and in same way, every practice and everything is its own essence.
Absolutely.
We can take any path, and yes, breathfulness is always there. चाहे विपाशना है, चाहे कहीं पे भी है. Yes, Patriji tell Anapanasati is like that. As I told you, Sudarshan Kriya है, चाहे वो Sadhguru ji भी any complicated practices. I give somebody say that ma'am क्या वो नहीं सही है. A simple example is that if you keep on going on parties, you buffet खा रहे हैं, ये खा रहे हैं, लेकिन end of the day अगर आप बीमार पड़ जाते हो तो डॉक्टर आपको खिचड़ी खाने को ही बोलता है, तो आनापानासती हमारी खिचड़ी है. That
Right.
means that is the essential part when you are disturbed and you are in dis-ease anyway, mental, emotional, spiritual, physical, वो भी उसमें आ जाता है. लेकिन I always insist कि don't use these up. You are gaining your spiritual energy, you are gaining your soul consciousness. Don't use that source of energy on just curing your physical symptoms. अन्नमय कोश को इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस मत दो. अगर हम स्पिरिचुअल पाथ पे हैं, अगर रमन महर्षि को पढ़ते हैं, रामकृष्ण परमहंस को पढ़ते हैं, बुद्धा ने लास्ट टाइम पे पॉइजन ली, क्या वो अपनी स्पिरिचुअल आनापानासती तो उन्होंने दिया ना.
Absolutely.
He is not able to nullify that poison. Then why we are heading and we are just in the one pursuit and one run, that with the meditation we have to do just cure our physical symptom. Beyond that, your other koshas are there. With meditation, just go beyond this अन्नमय कोशा. अन्नमय कोशा के लिए वो जीजीएम धीरेन सर ने बनाया है, बहुत सारों ने, हम जैसे योगा करवाते हैं, डाइट प्लान करवाती हूँ, हम लोग एनर्जी मेडिसिन. श्रेयस ने अभी गुजरात में भी मुझे बोला कि यस आई टोटली रिलाई विद दिस पॉइंट कि उन्होंने हमारे स्पिरिचुअल डॉक्टर के प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी ये बोला था कि यस, होम्योपैथी इज एनर्जी मेडिसिन. And I salute to Dr. Hahnemann. At that time, he developed homeopathy medicines because of with the nanotechnology, quantum physics, that the subtle thing can cure. So why we are heading our, we are now in that area when we are doing ascensions on base of our meditations. Group meditations are giving a boost to that energy. But if we focus on that energy on just आपके घर में इतनी अच्छी अगर लाइट है या कुछ भी है, तो हम उसको और तरीके से भी यूज करेंगे ना. Here one I read when I was on this path कि yes, we have to spend our energy, hard earning energy. You do meditation, you channel your prana, you channel your swasa, इनको आप रिदम में लाते हो, इतनी ऊर्जा लेते हो, use it for your spiritual growth. Why you are just thinking about your physical symptoms?
Absolutely, ma'am.
क्या
Perfect.
रमन महर्षि कैंसर ठीक नहीं कर सकते थे? When we take this birth from knowing about, going about who am I, where am I? We have to think about where am I. और जैसे आपने बोला कि लॉट्स ऑफ बाहर चल रहा है कि ये हो रहा है, इतनी वो सब, भाई वही तो मैंने बताया ना कि हर किसी की अपनी पास्ट लाइफ की जर्नी है. लाइटर भी कितनी तरह के होते हैं, लाइट्स भी कितनी तरह की होती हैं, लैंप्स भी, वो ड्राइविंग फोर्स, एक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आती है, किसी में वो हाई पावर है, किसी में वो लो पावर है. बट वी कांट जज ईच अदर एंड वी कांट कॉपी ईच अदर. वी हैव टू रिलाई ऑन योरसेल्फ. दैट आई डिड. मैंने किसी के कहने पे भी कोई प्रैक्टिस नहीं की. अगर आई गो विद माई इंट्यूजन्स, आई गो विद द फ्लो. यस, के जो मेरी इनर सेल्फ मुझे गाइड करती गई, जो सिचुएशन. एंड transforming from Sikhism to Hinduism was a trick for me, that I was not even mentally aware about that. One person from Patiala, when I was residing, they go to Salasar Balaji, and from there they took Hanuman Chalisa. वो उनकी डायरी थी, डायरी में हनुमान चालीसा, और एट दैट टाइम वो न्यू ईयर की डायरी थी. I keep it, they give me, I keep under my pillow and I just sleep that कि सुबह उठ के देखेंगे. And during night, I got the vision that I was totally in baby suit, all completely naked, and I am sitting under the mountain. It was raining, water pouring from it. And who is carrying it? Hanumanji is carrying it. And as a child, naked child, I am playing under it. देखा, उठ गई. जब उठी, what I am doing? मैं हनुमान चालीसा बोल रही थी.
Okay.
Being a Sikh girl, I was struggling कि वो होता था कि पांच, जैसे मैंने बोला, मैं फिजिकल फॉर्म के साथ ही, मैंने कभी भी मूल मंत्र के अलावा मैंने कभी 5 पौड़ी का पहला होता है जपजी साहब पाठ. I never remember that. मैं नहीं उसको याद कर पाती थी। लेकिन हाउ फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम रिसाइटिंग हनुमान चालीसा, और वो इतने सालों तक चला, इट वाज फ्लोइंग जस्ट लाइक। और सब लोग मेरे से चिढ़ते थे कि हाउ अ गर्ल कैन रिसाइट हनुमान चालीसा, यू आर डूइंग बैड कर्मास फॉर योर फैमिली, एंड आई वाज नॉट एबल टू स्टॉप इट। आई वाज
So
नॉट एबल टू स्टॉप
that
इट।
was your past impression from past birth.
Maybe. And from that time, I always tie Rakhi to Hanuman ji. And even somebody say कि हनुमान जी के मंदिर में लड़कियां तो जा नहीं सकती, पटियाला काली देवी मंदिर था कि आज तो मैंने राखी बांधनी ही बांधनी है, इनको ही बांध के जाऊंगी। नहीं भाई दिया, पिता भी ले लिया, अब दिखा भी दिया है कि ये ही इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मी, देन व्हाई आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू टाई थ्रेड टू हिम, क्यों नहीं मैं टच कर सकती। So one day I was, it's a open platform. And one day I went there and I sit there early morning. I don't know who forget to close or lock that door. As I approached there, door was open. I just went there. I put that sacred thread on his feet. 2 times this happened. So that was constantly flowing through me.
Amazing.
Till now everybody say yes you are जब बीमार हुई इतना कुछ पेरेंट्स को बोल दिया कि शनि, इसको ब्लू कपड़ा नहीं पहनना, ब्लैक कपड़ा नहीं पहनना। जब मैंने शनिदेव को पढ़ा, वो why we are fearing from that power because of our bad karma। वो सिर्फ वो कर्मास देखते हैं। तो आप जब बुरा कर्म कर ही नहीं रहे हो, कुछ इंटेंशनली भी आप किसी को हर्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, अगर कोई आपसे नाराज है, मेरे से अगर कोई रूठ जाता था, जब वो मैं रोना शुरू कर देती थी कि वो बंदा मेरे कारण हर्ट हो गया। एंड नाउ आई जस्ट, मेरा तो कुछ नहीं बिगड़ा, मैं तो ब्लू दबा दबा के पहनती हूँ, ब्लैक पहनती हूँ। सो एवरीथिंग इज कि जस्ट मैंने पता नहीं क्यों, मैंने कभी भी ये नहीं कि मैं आंख बंद करके संकल्प लेके मैंने कभी कुछ नहीं किया। एवरीथिंग वाज फ्लोइंग थ्रू मी बिकॉज एज लाइक माय फादर, आई who needs help, I become over obsessed to help them. And when I came to Ramakrishna Mission, here is Swami Vivekananda has told us we are not helping others for the courtesy sake, we are helping others to our spiritual growth. Don't think that we are so great that we can help other one. We are helping ourselves to grow spiritually. So for अगर हम रामकृष्ण मिशन में देखें कि we sit, और अगर हमारी आंख बंद है तो आंख बंद में भी हम यही सोचेंगे कि व्हाट आई कैन डू फॉर अदर। सो आई कांट थिंक कि मैं आंख बंद करके बैठूंगी तो मेरी नी इंजरी है। यू नो आई एम सिटिंग बिफोर यू, माय लेफ्ट नी इज फ्रॉम 3 years, third degree left cartilage tear, right leg ligament tear, still doing same thing, 2 time cardiac arrest, 1 time stroke, एंड 4-5 टाइम हेड इंजरी, क्रिकेट बॉल यहाँ लगी, पंखा यहाँ गिरा, क्रिकेट बॉल फिर यहाँ लगी, बेहोश हुई, lots of time.
You are superwoman.
Lots of time. And
Come
I am
on.
champion in that near death experience आते जाते
You're not human anymore, I would say.
नहीं, बट वो एक्सपीरियंस करवाया यूनिवर्स ने सर्वोच्च मुझे। जब कोविड के टाइम मुझे स्ट्रोक आया, डॉक्टर सेड यू हैव टू गो थ्रू एमआरआई, एंड आई वेंट टू एमआरआई। मैं होता था बिंदास चलेगी जैसे पहले जाती थी, लेकिन इन एमआरआई मशीन दे वर थिंकिंग दैट व्हाई शी इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू एनीथिंग, व्हेन दे केम एंड आई वाज टोटली फेंटेड देयर।
Oh my God.
No pulse, nothing. They immediately drag me out. And after that I start feeling little bit fear, because वो भी जरूरी होता है कहीं ना कहीं, क्योंकि मुझे इस शरीर के कर्म भी पूरे करने हैं। अगर एक बच्चा डरेगा नहीं तो वो आग को हाथ लगा लेगा। फियर इज एट somehow in spiritual tablet we are reading about 1+ arshad varga. 1+ arshad varga means काम क्रोध लोभ मोह अहंकार, ये सब कुछ पॉइंट्स में रहना चाहिए हमें। मैं हद से ज्यादा अपनी स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिसेस में डेयर करती जा रही थी। एट दैट टाइम यूनिवर्स टू, स्टिल आई एम स्ट्रगलिंग। डॉक्टर्स से आई कांट फ्लाई ऑन अ प्लेन। ये डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं कि जब तक आपका ब्रेन का एमआरआई नहीं होगा, इवन देन क्लासेस लेते लेते बहुत बार फेंट हुई हूँ। स्मॉल कैपिलरी हेमरेजेस आर स्टिल देयर इन माय ब्रेन एंड इन माय बॉडी। इतने बड़े बड़े पैचेस हो जाते हैं। नथिंग, माय एवरी बॉडी पार्ट इज टोटली डैमेज्ड,
I
And
would
बाहर
say,
भी कह नहीं सकता कि that is Guruvinder.
I would say, Lileshwari Devi ji, please stay with us.
नहीं, ये नहीं, अंदर से टूटते हैं. Yes, my struggle is both knees are injured and I dance. I live in a first floor. I go पूरे दिन में कम से कम 20-25 बार तो मैं स्टेयर्स अप डाउन करती हूँ. सारा काम ही यही है. जब आप ग्राउंड फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे रह रहे हो, पानी भरना तो ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा, कुछ भी ग्रोसरी लेना, कुछ भी जाना, आपको नीचे जाना पड़ेगा. व्हेन आई टेल समबडी कि माय बोथ नीज आर डैमेज्ड एंड डॉक्टर्स एडवाइज्ड मी टू रिप्लेस बोथ नीज, देन से व्हाई यू आर डूइंग. आई एम डूइंग. अभी गुजरात जाके आए हैं, इतना 150 सीढ़ियां चढ़े थे हम.
You have that power with you, na, within and without.
बस
Without
ये
that, nothing
समझ
can be done.
लिया कि we get this body because that I told you कि I am not using my spiritual insights, my energy to cure my body. I never can do that.
Okay.
I never can do that. यहाँ पे मैं बता रही थी कि if you are able to cross a river by giving few coins or a few cents, why you are spending your spiritual power to cross that river? जो
Like,
इतने सालों की साधना है, आप वो साधना को सही तरीके पे लगाओ, सेवा में लगाओ, अपनी
Absolutely.
स्पिरिचुअल अपलिफ्टमेंट में लगाओ, नॉट टू डू स्पिरिचुअल जगलिंग. That is totally spiritual juggling. Everything, everyone say that we did this. Yes, we have to. जब बहुत ज्यादा होता है, छोटी छोटी चीज के लिए आप अपनी एनर्जी को चैनल अपनी अपलिफ्टमेंट के, अपनी खुशी के लिए करो, not for physical body only.
You make me remember, ma'am, Premanand Ji Maharaj. I listen him so much. So he says always that why would you use a Brahmastra
Yeah.
instead you can for just to kill the mosquito.
मॉस्किटो, यस डेफिनेटली. ठाकुर
Yeah.
बैठे थे ना, वो कोई बंदा आया, कहते कि मैंने 40 साल तपस्या करी है, मैं अपनी वो दिखाऊं, पावर्स दिखाऊं. ठाकुर सर ओके, ही क्रॉस द रिवर
Barefoot, yeah.
bare feet. And when he came back, Thakur started laughing. Thakur said,
I would get
yeah,
10
there is
bucks.
a boatman. I will give 1 paisa to him,
Yeah.
and why I have to spend 40 years practice on this?
Yeah, Riddhi Siddhi only. Yeah.
And that's
Amazing,
what
ma'am.
nowadays going on. Lots of platforms, we just stuck down experiences. उसको ये experience हो गया, उसको ये experience हो गया, मुझे भी होना चाहिए. उस चीज में भी लोग डिप्रेशन में जा रहे हैं.
Correct. 100%.
तो वो चीज नहीं. अवेयरनेस, यस, यू आर डूइंग योर पार्ट. मोस्टली आई हैव टू डू माई पार्ट एंड रेस्ट आई कांट सी एंड कांट एवेल्युएट के मेरा पीछे के कर्मास क्या थे. ऑन दैट बिहाफ you can live in the present and
That's
you
the
can
conclusion.
take experiences in the present. That's all. So be with yourself, be with the flow. Why Lao Tse and Taoism say that, yeah, be with the flow, never indulge. आप देखो, ठीक है, अगर इजीली अनुभव हो गए, हमें बताया गया है फुल मून, do intense full moon meditations, but not sitting all the nights. Just you can lie down and surrender to the universe, and you are not a matter, you are a frequency too. If you are attuned with the frequencies or with the music and with the celestial bodies, with the universe, if you connect your pind with the Brahmand, it will automatically happen. No need to exert yourself. हम सारी रात फुल मून मेडिटेशंस करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरा ये होता है कि किसी ने भी बैठ के अपने आप को जबरदस्ती टॉर्चर नहीं. जस्ट लाई डाउन एंड स्लीप ऑन द जूम एंड जस्ट स्लीप. affirm yourself that you are connected with the Brahman, you are connected with the macrocosm. Your microcosm will automatically align with that.
Right, ma'am. No, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I
Thank
think that this is the conclusion you have already given us, that be aware of
Yeah.
your breath, aware of your every second, where
Yeah.
you're focused completely and you're into yourself. And then after you can stay focused and your journey will start from there.
और ये नहीं है, मैं
Alright.
तो अगर मुझे कोई देखेगा घर में, मैं सारा दिन सोती होती हूँ. आपके सेशन से पहले भी मैं सो रही थी. रिकॉर्डिंग्स करी, फिर सो गई. So just relax yourself.
Yeah, right.
Thank you, ma'am. And it's a very strong message for our audience. Like, and you said, like, when I do full moon, and I know I won't be able to, wake up the whole night, though I want to do it. But then I've got a very good message today. Just connect with the Brahman, connect with the universe, and just go to sleep, and it will do its work. And thank you very much. And it's, what's the time? Sorry, 10:20. Thank you
20
for
past 10.
audience who are staying with us. If we have any question, we will take another 5 minutes from the audience. Do we have any questions? Please raise your hand.
Also, please tell us if you want Gurpinder ma'am to come again and share more wisdom, because I always love that. Thank you, Gurpinder ma'am.
Yes. Looks like we don't have any question today anymore, but I guess we have heard a lot, and it's amazing journey, ma'am. And I'm thinking I need to connect with you separately and ask more questions what I have. And
There's
so
a question.
Jasmeet Khanna had raised the hand. Yes, Jasmeet ji, give me one moment. I'll pin you. Can you please come on video?
On है
Yeah, I have switched on my video.
Oh, 1 second.
Good evening to you. Namaskar, Dr. Gurpinder ji. So last time I had requested you that I get lots of thoughts in my meditation. You told me to give me an homework that write with colored pens. So I'm doing that. So I don't know when are we going to have a session where you're going to explain us the importance of. You said I will talk to you after 1 week. Why I
Here,
told you to
what
do
I
this
told
homework.
you, yes, I tell you, yes, you have to.
Yes.
After listening today's session, if there is a still logical mind, ke what is behind that, what is that means you are not even now on a surrender mode. That if somebody some maybe I am not expert. If someone tell me to do this, we sometime Jasmeet ji, we have to be like a child. एक बच्चा जब थक के बहुत, चाहे बड़े हुए भी, कई जनों ने एहसास, मैं तो मेरे मदर 2023 में व्हेन आई वाज जस्ट वी हैव टू सम टाइम सरेंडर टू द कि यस आई एम, जैसे इन्होंने बोला भक्ति मार्ग, वो नहीं, हम माँ की गोद में सिर रख लेते हैं ना, तो अगर उसने बताया है कुछ तो स्टिल यू हैव टू डू फॉर 7 days। वो हम वेडनेसडे को मिलेंगे, लेकिन अगर इसको आप मेडिटेशन में भी बैठोगे या गूगल पे भी सर्च करोगे तो बड़े आराम से आपको आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे, बट यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट। बट जब आप जान जाओगे, वही यहाँ पे मैं एक बात बताऊंगी, वो फिर एग्जाम्पल आ जाता है, आई ऑलवेज यूज टू टेल लाइक स्टोरी, कि वो किसी ने बोला ना कि जाना है उस पार, को दो लिख के दे दिया है ना, तो वो जा रहा है, लेकिन बीच में देख लिया कि यहाँ तो सिर्फ राम नाम लिख के दिया, उसी से वो इमीडिएटली ड्राउन। So somewhere, as I told you on Gyan Marga, sometime our problems, why our problems are there, sometime it's a logical mind. Sometime, yes, we have to, but we have to do 7-8 days, even after maybe 7 days, if you got no relief, then I can say, ma'am, do it for 11 days or 20 days, 21 days, then we
No,
talk.
actually, you told me not to Google, not to see the importance of it. So I did not.
Yeah, now you
I
can.
just did
Now
not.
you can. After
Achha, now
7
I
days,
can.
you
Okay.
can. Yeah, 7. आपने
No, but I
religiously
just
you
wanted
did
to.
that. But either
Yeah, I
it
wanted to tell
was
you my
just like,
progress.
it was just like a mind to divert your mind, because mind, subconscious mind always like stories and patterns, colorful patterns. That's why we are trying to tap our subconscious mind for some regularity,
Yes.
to create some
Yes.
habit. And when we create that habit, it will other things will just become crystal clear to us.
Ma'am,
That's
I
all.
No, I
also
just
want to
wanted
add
to
इतना ही
for
tell you
logic
my
है.
progress.
yes, thank you,
That
Jasmeet ma'am. And I
first day I
also
wrote.
ये
sorry,
this
I'm
one
sorry,
we
I'm sorry.
will
interrupting.
this we will Jasmeet ji, this we will discuss on
On
Wednesday
Wednesday,
on
yes.
Avdut
Right,
session.
right.
Yes, please.
Thank you so
you.
much. Thank you so much.
And it's already very late. And for you, Jasmeet ma'am, I would suggest when we start our 21 days beginners program, I must advise you to please join, because the wisdom you will get in those 21 days will definitely make a difference to the thinking process and the things around you. That will be very helpful. So join that. And this particular question we will take on Avdut's day session, please, and we'll continue on that day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
All right, so we it's already very late, 10:25, and if anyone still have any questions, we are more than happy to take it in the group chat, please. Forward your messages, and then we will request Gurpinder ma'am to answer there.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. So again, my takeaway is surrender, and you will get all your answers as per Gurpinder ma'am's stories. Don't run after your past lives or your future lives. Just stay in present, and the life will be blissful. So thank you again, Gurpinder ma'am. Very amazing session. I'm gonna go on YouTube and look after Laleshwari Devi and
Me
Akka
too.
Devi.
Me too.
It's very curious.
I'm gonna find out.
Yes.
I will post my session that I shared on Madhu Soni's platform, her life.
Sure,
That I
ma'am,
will
100%.
share.
Definitely. Nice to know, ma'am. Thank you very much once again, and thanks everyone for sticking around. Thanks for tonight, and we'll meet you on next fortnight. Yeah.